we'll start by making the magic ring. And then 3 chains, counting the one with the ring. Now inside the magic ring, we go to work. 11 double crochet, totaling 12 points. Counting on the chains. Close the magic ring and make a slip stitch. On the second double crochet, lengthen the wire. I cut and finish with tapestry needle. Now with another wire color, I will introduce the needle only on the back handle. Every piece. We're only going to work on the back handles. I am looking for thread, and I make 2 chains. In the same space, loop and work 1 double crochet. Now I will loop twice. To make treble crochet, introduction in the same space. I seek the thread and shoot from 2 to 2 straps. 3 times. I make 2 chains. I introduce the needle in these treble crochet loops, and I make here 1 slip stitch. Loop for 2 times, come back in the same space, and work plus 1 treble crochet. I loop and make 1 double crochet in this same space. I make 2 chains and 1 slip stitch. Here in the same space. To continue in the next space, make a slip stitch. In the next space, just taking the back handle, also make a slip stitch. Let's repeat this petal. Starting with 2 chains, 1 double crochet, Then loop 2 times, make 1 treble crochet. I make 2 chains. Ein Slipstich. Here picking up the treble crochet straps, forming the picot stitch. I make a treble crochet here in the same space. After finishing the treble crochet, I make a double crochet. Two chains and 1 slip stitch here in the same space. Path with slip stitch to the next point, picking up the back handle, and we will repeat this 6 times. So I come here at the next point. I make the L slip stitch and start another petal. Let's make a total of 6 petals here in our piece. Now that I've finished the 6 petals, we're going back with the same color yarn. We made the base. I will tie the needle twice. Secure with my ring finger. I insert the needle here in the outside handle that was left on that first lap. I am looking for thread. Now I'm holding that initial wire left over. Loop shot 2 straps. Loop shot the last 2 straps, forming 1 double crochet. Now we are going to work 12 double crochet in total. 1 double crochet for each base point. And we'll get those handles that became embossed. The handles from outside the point. So we'll keep making 1 double crochet for every base strap. After finishing, we will do 1 slip stitch here on second double crochet, or 1 finish, with 1 tapestry needle, Now we are going to work with the color green, and we are going to make 2 identical sheets. We'll start with the on the slide. Let's make 6 chains. Skips the first current. In the following stream works a single crochet. Now tie the thread. At the next point, step 1, half double crochet, taking off the 3 handles at one time. At the next point, work 1 double crochet. In the next stream, I make 1 half double crochet as I did before. In the last turf, we will work 1 single crochet. After making the single crochet, let's make 2 chains. I pick up these 2 straps from the single crochet. Work 1 slip stitch, forming 1 picot stitch. I go back to the last chain and make 1 single crochet. Wire loop here on the other side of the chain. Parallel to the half double crochet, we will work 1 other half double crochet. At the next point, we will make 1 double crochet. In the next stream, we will work 1 half double crochet. And in this last loop, we will make 1 single crochet. We can make 1 slip stitch. In the first single crochet or close with tapestry needle. Let's make 2 sheets. To make flower handle, I will use a tooth. Might be a little bigger than the one I'm using. I'll pass some hot glue here on the tip of the stick, and I will roll my thread all the way across the stick. After winding the wire all over the tooth, I pass some more hot glue here at the end, and I finish. I cut the thread and finish it. So here you can pass a little more hot glue. And I'm going to stick this tooth here in the back of our flower, putting 1 little glue. Then we'll stick the leaves. Step 1, drop of cola here right in the finish. And glue on a stick. To the back, I will use the first career is this base, and I'm going to paste here in this part from behind the flower. Then, if you prefer, just put on a key ring. And your keychain is ready. And this is the result of our crochet piece today, this beautiful daisy that you can use as decoration on a gift card, and also as a keychain if you like this simple and quick idea of crochet. Don't forget to leave your like. Thank you so much for watching this far.